Hello and welcome to today's English listening practice. In this episode, you will hear a short story designed to improve your English, comprehension, and vocabulary. Let's begin. Anna was an ordinary girl living in a small town. Every morning, she walked to the bakery near her house to buy fresh bread. One day, something unusual happened. As she opened the bakery door, a man rushed past her, dropping a small notebook on the floor. He didn't stop. He didn't even look back. Anna picked up the notebook, confused. She opened it. Inside, there were maps, strange codes, and a note that said, "Don't trust anyone." Anna's heart beat faster. Who was that man? What was this notebook? She looked outside, but the man had disappeared into the crowd. She decided to keep the notebook and look at it later. Back at home, she started to study the codes. One of them was a date and time, Wednesday, 3 p.m., old train station. She knew that place. It hadn't been used in years. Should she go? On Wednesday? Curiosity won. She arrived at the station early. It was quiet, almost too quiet. Then, at exactly 3 p.m., she saw a woman standing near the old platform. The woman noticed Anna and smiled. "You found the notebook," she said. Anna nodded, still unsure if she had made the right choice. The woman introduced herself as Sarah and explained that the notebook belonged to a group of people trying to stop a secret organization. They needed help, and Anna, without knowing, had just passed the first test. Anna was no longer just a girl from a small town. She had stepped into a world of secrets, danger, and mystery. That's the end of today's story. Thank you for listening whole podcast. Now, listen again if you want to improve your memory and understanding. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English listening practice. See you next time.